Hey guys, it's Paul.
And Star Wars Shannon.
That's right. It would have been Star Wars Paul, but Shannon starts with S. Star Wars starts with S. We're back with another Lego Star Wars buildable figure video. A couple weeks ago, we had 4, and you can see that we built Captain Phasma right here.
Which is awesome.
You can check out that video if you go back in our video list. But we're going to add to our collection today. We're going to take another one of these out of the package and build it right here in front of you. We asked you guys to vote on who we should build next, and Darth Vader and Kylo Ren were the overwhelming favorites, with Kylo Ren barely edging Darth Vader out, probably because Kylo Ren is in the new movie, and Darth Vader is not. I like Darth Vader better, but that's okay. We're going to build Kylo Ren today. I'm really excited to see how this figure is going to look. Kylo Ren in the movies looks awesome. And, oops, you can't even see the top of the box here. There we go. I have seen these other figures at the store. We have the Stormtrooper right back there. And Poe looks really good also. Rey and Finn do not look as good, I don't think. So we won't be getting those, but I might get Poe if you guys want me to. And we also need to get General Grievous, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Jango Fett. Oh, and Commander Cody. So there's a lot that we still need from this series. So keep the comments coming in. Let us know who we should build next. But right now, let's build Kylo Ren. All right, let's see what's inside the box. Looks like we have one big bag. That might be everything. Oh, nope, here's a small bag. One small bag of parts. A cape. And the all-important instructions. Here is Kylo Ren, all finished building. He was actually a lot of fun to build, and having built Captain Phasma a week or two ago really helped me build him better. I didn't struggle as much. I was a little bit more familiar with how these figures went together. So he is really detailed, just like Captain Phasma. He is articulated. He moves at the ankles, knees, thighs. His arms move at the wrist, elbow, shoulder.
He's really cool. I like his lightsaber.
Yeah, his lightsaber's really neat. The one thing I don't like, it is movie authentic. This is exactly how he looks in the movie, but I love the armor. I love his armor, and then he's got this cape that kind of covers up the lower half. So I'm not as big of a fan of that. And then from the sides, of course, you can see the Technics building elements for him. But his helmet is super detailed, just like Captain Phasma's. And I think these figures with the armor look really nice. I think that's kind of what sets apart the Imperial forces from the Rebel forces for this line of toys. It's just the armor on the figures looks really good, whereas the human figures don't look as good, I don't think. So
That's just a personal preference, though, probably.
It is just a personal preference. Now, something that's cool with Kylo Ren is he has a play feature. It's tough to see. It was really tough to see with building because it's against his black cape, but there's this little knob on the back here. Oh, no.
He does the
Kylo Ren
splits.
doing the splits. He's going to go compete in the gymnastics competition. All right, so he does have that little knob on the back, and you're not going to be able to see all of him. But when you twist that knob, his arm moves up and down, so that is a very nice little play feature.
That's awesome.
That is. And that's kind of what these are meant to do. They're meant to be able to be built and then played with, which is why they have so many points of articulation, and they have that. But they are super detailed, and what Shannon and I are going to be using them for is just for display. So put Captain Phasma up here next to Kylo Ren. So that's our first two Imperials, first two of the Imperial forces, and they are incredible. As you can see, they are about the same size, which again is movie accurate. Darth Vader is actually a bigger figure. He's taller.
Oh, cool.
Just like he would be in the movies. So, very cool. So I want you guys to vote down at the bottom. Tell me who you like better, Captain Phasma or Kylo Ren. And let me know who you want us to build next.
Stormtrooper, go Stormtrooper.
Shannon really wants a Stormtrooper. I think we're going to be doing Vader next just because of how many responses we got before. But like I said before, we want to get General Grievous, Jango Fett, and Obi-Wan Kenobi in the Stormtrooper armor also. So let me know which one of those you think we should get. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave it a big thumbs up for Star Wars and for Lego. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
Paul.
And today we have the Cupcake Queen Cafe playset, which is totally awesome. It's from the food fair. And it comes with some exclusive Shopkins, which is awesome. Maybe Paul will spin that around for us.
I sure will.
Ooh. There she is.